Lower body combo number 2. We're going to be combining hip ups and hip twists. We're going to be changing the timing, so just follow along. We're going to start off with 8 of both, 4, and then 2. Ready? 8 hip ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hip twists. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twist, twist, twist. Again. 4. Twist. Now 2. 1, 2. Twist, twist. Up, up. Twist, twist. Up, up. Twist, twist. Up, up. Twist, twist. Very good. We'll do that from the back. 8, 4, and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twist, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. Twist, twist. Again. Twist. Now 2. 1, 2. Twist, twist. Up, up. Twist, twist. Up, up. Twist, twist. Up, up. Twist, twist. Very good. Whew. I hope you're getting a good workout. I am.